So my name is Kenneth Lewis, and I'm the managing partner and co-founder of OKR International. OKR International is the world's leading training, coaching and consulting company for OKRs. At the same time, I'm also an entrepreneur, an investor, and my passion is helping leaders in becoming better, helping teams in becoming more high performing, and helping organizations in becoming more productive. That's me. And just like a young nation that Vietnam is, even people have a young and open mind. And that freshness, that desire to learn will be very beneficial to organizations that will plan to use this learning, especially OKRs in their companies. Culturally, I think, very similar to many Asian cultures. I belong to India, and there are traditional companies, there are new companies, and there are some companies that have high growth ambitions. I think OKRs can be applied everywhere in implementing. The same challenges that you will also find in Silicon Valley, in California, United States, or Bangalore, India, or even Beijing, China, the same challenges will also be in Hanoi, Da Nang, or Ho Chi Minh City. It wouldn't be any different. The challenges would be the same. I think what's key is that we create very good OKR coaches who are able to connect strategy of an organization to ongoing execution. Now, of course, being an Asian country, another thing that we're also well known for is that we do not say things straight up front. So one of the things that we might want to work upon is how can we get people included into the social process that OKRs is? And how can we change certain organizational cultures that are still very hierarchical? How can we help OKRs create a more fast-moving, agile, responsive, and more autonomous organization? I think those will be certain things that will be very interesting as we use OKRs in companies to implement them.
Tôi là Cảnh Phúc, CEO của Link Power, sẽ cùng đồng hành với các chuyên gia trong hội thảo OKR Total Reward Competency Framework, bộ 3 giải pháp thúc đẩy doanh nghiệp phát triển bền vững. Rất vui mừng chào đón các anh chị cùng chúng tôi tham gia, chia sẻ, tìm kiếm các cái giải pháp tại hội thảo diễn ra ngày 6 tháng 1 năm 2024 tại khách sạn Mường Thanh Luxury 261C, huyện Vân Trỗi, Phú Nhuận.
Ngày 6 tháng 1 năm 2024, workshop OKR Total Reward Competency Framework, bộ 3 giải pháp thúc đẩy doanh nghiệp phát triển bền vững sẽ chính thức được Link Power tổ chức tại thành phố Hồ Chí Minh. Hãy nhanh tay đăng ký tham gia ngay hôm nay để cùng các chuyên gia từng bước nâng tầm năng lực.